be uh, converting into an nCloth and then cylinder. Okay, so we'll talk about the different presets of nCloth. Okay, so let me create this as an nCloth and then this the other one as a passive collider. Okay, so by default this is the effect of um, the nCloth simulation. Okay, so of course we did not make the ground plane as uh, we did not make the grid as the ground plane. So to look for the presets, we can go to the attribute editor, make sure the cloth is selected or the mesh is selected, and then you'll see here we have different properties for um, the cloth. Okay, so we have these usual resistance, stickiness, collision, friction, bounce, and everything. Okay, so we won't be modifying these manually for at least for this video. Okay, so just just know that these, of course, these things have different effects on the actual simulation. Okay, but what this video is for is these this button presets. So if you click this, we have different presets under Maya 2020. We have soft sheet metal, water volume, solid rubber, airbag, beach ball, t-shirt, burlap, lava, silk, and etc. Okay, rubber sheet, plastic shell. Okay, so these are yes, these are presets for nCloth. As we change the preset, you can notice some changes in the object's property. Okay, so let's say we'll make this is a water volume. If you click replace, okay, so um, there will be changes in terms of properties. There is a note here. Water is simulated here by using a volume pressure method to conserve internal volume, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so actually it changes, um, mainly it changes these attributes, the pressure attributes. So by default, the setting is manual, but this preset changed this method to volume tracking. Let me undo so that you can see the how it changes the uh, settings. So currently we are in manual pressure setting. If we change this to water volume and click replace, automatically the method is changed. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if there is a difference in terms of animation of simulation. Probably there's uh, because the material is sort of a uh, water water volume water balloon. Uh, so that is the effect. Okay, we can change this into a chainmail. You can click that one and then you'll see the notes here. Chainmail is very heavy. It will not stretch but can compress. As you can see in the pressure, it goes back to the manual pressure settings, and then probably it changes some of these properties. Probably it's here. Uh, so let's see how it will react to the object. So you can see some changes in terms of the simulation as it goes around the tabletop. So different materials have different properties. Okay, so let's say as you saw the changes here in the dynamic properties. we made this as a burlap. um, then just click play. So what you can use these presets to change the settings. If, for example, you have an nCloth that will work as a burlap, then you don't have to change each property or attribute anymore. This changed will be automatically changed by Maya according to your preset. So burlap is kind of a rough, non-stretchy material. So if you see, it's sort of um, stiff in terms of the how it drapes around the tabletop. Rewind this, and then we'll make it a silk. And if, yeah, as you know, silk is very smooth, so there will be a noticeable difference in terms of in terms of um, as opposed to the burlap. Okay, so that one. So make sure that you have enough faces and vertices in your models. But of course, as you are noticing right now, um, it takes a toll on your processor and RAM. So yeah, you can work around this different presets. You can change according to your specifications. You can even, let's say, initially you'll make it as a heavy denim, and then afterwards you can still modify these properties. At least you have um, an initial settings change. Okay, so that's it for this video.